Hey guys, so some time ago I came back from tuition and today I did not make vlog and it's 8:30 at evening at night. So whole day I did not make vlog and when I go for the when I start for the vlog at that time I will do work and I had some work so I had completed. And also guys, I wake up late in the morning and there will no classes for today in the morning, so that's why I wake up late. And yesterday's night I awake for late night for completing my lecture. So more than half I have completed, and then uh, remaining lecture I completed in day. So after that also guys, yesterday's live lecture I completed. Just trying to complete that current live lecture. And today I did not complete any task also. So that's because I have only 4 hours, so that 4 to 5 hours, and that for 4 to 5 hours I want to complete 3 to 4 hours of lecture. So I completed. And also guys, today after a long time I completed lecture and fully understand. And sometime I made mistake in numericals, but I didn't. That's because I did not practice. So tomorrow is Sunday, so but I don't think that tomorrow will be uh, tomorrow will do study. So um, but I'll try to complete. And I decided to that whatever I have learned I will revise it on the Sunday. But on Sunday, that day was completely run out only in time pass. So but uh, 3 to 4 Sunday had been has been run out, but I had no study. So okay, so again second is task that I want to complete my 5 minutes of log of 365 days challenge. So also first of all I'm going to complete my meditation, and then I'll complete my sum of task. Also guys, I told that yesterday I told that I will complete my uh, vocabulary, but I had not. So okay, so today first of all after meditation I'll complete my vocabulary, and then I'll complete my regular task, and then I'll go for the study. So I think it will be 11. I'll do study for 11. So okay, so now I'm going to do meditation, and after that first of all I'm going to have freshen up, and then I'll go for the meditation, and then I'll go for the meal. Regular task I'll follow, and then okay. So first of all I'm going to do my regular task. So let's see. So guys, I just complete my meditation. So without wasting any time and without doing anything, first of all I'm going to do vocabulary, because every time I made video and I told that I'll go for the work, but I did not complete my vocabulary ever. So okay, so now I'm going to do vocabulary, and after that I'll have. So okay, so also guys, I want to complete my blog. So some for 2 minutes I will speak something. So okay, sometimes I feel like I will not do anything, but my inner voice says that you have to complete 365 days challenge. After that you will be great success. So that's why I'm doing. And okay, so in my mind there is no something. There is you can see that sometimes I stuck while speaking, but regularly I know that some one day I will speak fluently and without any hesitation. I have no hesitation, but when I uh, when I speak to English at that time, sometimes it mistake for vocabulary, and randomly I made video, and whatever in my mind I just say. So okay, so now I'm going to do vocabulary. So let's see. So guys, I have complete my vocabulary. So I'll not write more words, because every day I'll increase on every day on the basis of every day. So I don't know what I speak now. So okay, so now I'm going to do my uh, regular work. So before that I will complete my live lecture. So it's running on. So now I'm going to do that. So okay, so I decided that I will go for this meal, but before that I will do my live lecture. So let's yes, I have completed my oral task. So now and also I have meal. So now I am going to do my study. Before that, I'll take some rest and then I'll go for the study. So okay, so let's go. So guys, I have already completed my task. So now I'm going to complete first my one of the most tasks, that uploading the video. So last day I did not upload my video. So yesterday's video and today's video I am going to do upload. And okay, so now I'm ending this vlog here. So that's it for today's vlog. We'll meet another. Bye bye.